Assalamualaikum grade 7 students and welcome to science class. In this class we will learn about blood vessels of chapter number 4. First of all, what are blood vessels? Blood flows in our body through our network of tubes called blood vessels. Blood जो फ्लो करता है हमारे जिस्म के अंदर वो एक नेटवर्क ऑफ ट्यूब्स के ज़रिए करता है जिसे हम ब्लड वेजल्स कहते हैं. ब्लड वेजल्स मीन्स खून की शरेयानें. लाइक एट आवर होम्स वाटर ट्यूब्स आर प्रेजेंट इन विच वाटर इज फ्लोज. इन द सिमिलर वे in our body tubes are present called blood vessels in which blood is flows from one part of our body to another part of our body. There are three types of tubes present in our body. Number 1 arteries, number 2 veins, number 3 capillaries. First of all, I will tell to you about arteries. What are arteries? Arteries carry oxygen rich blood. Oxygen rich blood means oxygenated blood. Arteries carry that type of blood in which the quantity of oxygen is more. The blood in which the quantity of oxygen is more, that type of blood is called oxygen rich blood, or you can say that oxygenated blood. From which part arteries carry oxygen rich blood? It carries from our heart and gives to the different organs of our body. In simple way we can say that जो arteries हैं वो ऐसा blood carry करती हैं जिसमें ऑक्सीजन की मिकदार ज़्यादा होती है, और जिस ब्लड में ऑक्सीजन की मिकदार ज़्यादा होती है उसे हम ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड या फिर ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कहते हैं. नाउ आई विल टेल टू यू अबाउट veins. What are veins? Veins carry oxygen poor blood. Oxygen poor blood means deoxygenated blood. Veins carry that type of blood in which the quantity of oxygen is less. The blood in which the quantity of oxygen is less, that type of blood is called oxygen poor blood, or you can say that deoxygenated blood. जो veins हैं ऐसे किस्म का ब्लड कैरी करती हैं जिसमें ऑक्सीजन की मिकदार कम होती है, और वो ब्लड जिसमें ऑक्सीजन की मिकदार कम हो ऐसे ब्लड को हम लोग ऑक्सीजन पुअर ब्लड या फिर डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कहते हैं. Veins carry oxygen poor blood from different organs. Organs means aza of our body and gives to the heart. Now we will talk about capillaries. What are capillaries? A network of capillaries forms connection between the arteries and the veins. जो capillaries हैं वो एक नेटवर्क है जो कनेक्शन बनाता है arteries और veins के दरमियान. So that's it for today. In next class we will meet soon. So till then, Allah Hafiz.